Hey everyone, Ryan here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can display product variants to your Shopify site inside of Framer. So first things first, let's go to my plugins here and let's open the Frameship plugin. Now I'm going to go down to build and we're going to select variant buttons and we're going to add this components. Now what I want to do is drag and drop it to where I want it on my canvas. So I want it below the price here. And now inside this component, I just need to connect a couple of different fields to my CMS, which I have previously set up to sync with my Shopify store. So I'm going to click on the little plus here and I'm going to set this first one to be Shopify data and the second one to be variant options. And now you notice it's actually pulling that data correctly. So now if I preview this, you notice I've got the option to select between one of my variants for that product. And then everything else works just like so.